How to fix ride request not working in Lyft. Can't request a ride on Lyft? Let's walk through how to fix that fast. First, double check your internet connection. If you are on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa. Next, make sure you are in a serviceable area. Lyft won't work if you are outside their coverage zone. Now open the app and confirm you have selected both a pickup and destination. Incomplete details can block ride request. Also verify your payment method is valid. Go to your profile, then payment, and make sure your card has not expired. If nothing works, close the app completely, reopen it, or even restart your phone. If you see repeated error messages, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. It resets hidden glitches. Have you faced this issue? Let others know in the comments what worked for you. And that's how you can fix ride request not working in Lyft. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.